Mum,
Yes, Josh?
can I have some popcorn?
Yes, OK. Here's some money.
And can I have a Coke?
Yes, OK. But hurry up.
Have you got any money, Chris? If not, I've got my credit card.
No, it's okay. I've got some money. Hi, can I have 2 tickets for the brothers, please?
Yes, of course.
How much is that?
That's £23, please.
Here you are.
Thanks.
What time is the film?
It starts at 7:15. Here are your tickets. You're in screen 2.
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Enjoy the film.
We've got 20 minutes before the film starts.
Okay, let's have a drink first.
Good idea.
Hello. Can I have 2 tickets for A New Day, please? 1 adult and 1 child.
Yes, of course.
How much are the tickets?
£11.50 for adults and £8.25 for children. So that's £19.75, please.
Here you are. What time's the film?
It starts in 2 minutes. Here are your tickets. You're in screen 1.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy the film.
Thanks, bye. Hurry up, Josh. The film starts in 2 minutes.
Okay.